Hey everyone, so today I have a subtle makeup look perfect for the holidays. I like this because it's simple, easy, and quick to do. And lately I've been liking my makeup to look more natural, so this is perfect. And let's go ahead and get started. I think when you're doing a more natural makeup look, it's really important to start with good skincare. And lately I've been using my own custom skincare from Curology. This is really cool because they will send you a custom super bottle for your skin's unique needs. Curology contains potent prescription ingredients that brighten dark spots, boost collagen production, and also reduce the appearance of fine lines. And this is the cream that was sent to me. I've been using this in the morning and also at night before I go to bed, and I've been loving this product. I definitely recommend Curology, so definitely check them out. I'll put their link down below in the description bar. And another thing that's really cool about this brand is the fact that your unique formula can be tweaked at no extra cost and adapted to changing skin over time. So I think it's really cool that Curology will work with you as your skin changes and your product can also change with your skin. And again, I like to use this product morning and night, and I'll also add a moisturizer on top of that, but check out the description bar for more. After taking care of my skin, I like to use a primer and then also a foundation, and I'll just use a little bit of foundation with my brush. My current favorite foundation that I'm using is that one you just saw from Revlon, and I'll put all of the product links down below in the description bar. But after that, I'll move on to some concealer, and I like to use a damp sponge for this, and I'll go back to this damp sponge later, but I think this just helps liquid and also powder products look a little bit more natural, and it looks like it's more of your skin and it's not just a product sitting on top of your skin. So after that, I'll take a little bit of powder, and I'm using this to set my makeup. So I'm just gonna keep my makeup in place, locking it in with this powder, and going back to my damp sponge again, I'm using a makeup setting spray, and this again really helps powder look like it's more of your skin and it's not just a product sitting on top of your skin. So moving on to a little bit of contouring and some blush. I've been loving and I've been using this Sweet Peach Glow palette from Too Faced. It has a bronzer, a highlight, and also a blush, and I'm using all three. But I am using all the products in a subtle way because again, I want my makeup to look a little bit more natural. So moving on to my eyes. I have an eyeshadow primer from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna apply this with my ring finger and apply it all over my lid and also my brow bone, and then move on to this amazing eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. This is one of their newer palettes. It's the Cherry Naked palette, and I'm gonna use 3 different shades, starting with Hot Spot. And this shade is also gonna go all over my lid, my brow bone, and the inner corners of my eyes because I want my eyes to look a little bit brighter, and I think that's an excellent lighter shade to brighten the eyes, and it's also matte. So next up, I'm going to take Caution, and that's going to go in my crease and also the outer corners of my eyes. And again, this makeup is so subtle, but I really like this because it brings definition to the eyes, but it's not overdone, and that's what I like about it. So moving on to the last shade, this is Turn On, and it also has some shimmer. I'm gonna place this starting right in the center of my lids, and I'm also gonna blend it out a little. So it's gonna go all over my lids, but I'm gonna focus it more towards the center. And after that, we're almost done with the eyes. I'm just going to tight line with this black eyeliner, and I think this is the best way to create some definition again for your eyes, but it's not overdoing it at all. It barely looks like I even have eyeliner on, and I'm gonna focus more on the outer corners of my eyes, but again, it's not overly done at all. This is very subtle, but focusing on the outer corners I think really makes your eyes look a little bit bigger, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and add a little bit of mascara. And the mascara I've been using lately is from Urban Decay. This is one of their newer mascaras. It's Troublemaker, but honestly it's not one of my favorites. I'm just using it because it happens to be in my makeup bag. Honest review time. Anyway, moving on to my lips. I've hit pan on one of my favorite lip balms, but I like to start with a lip scrub and then use a little bit of lip balm, and then I like to use a lip pencil, and I think this is a great way to create a lip stain. So you're gonna see me apply this a little heavier than I'm actually going to wear it. I like to first line my lips, and then I'll fill them in, and then I'll press my lips together and kind of keep applying it. And you could wear the shade like this. It's very bold, and I think this looks great, especially for the holidays, but I'm gonna make this a little bit more subtle, and this is the trick I like to use, is just pressing my lips like on a napkin and kind of taking out that color a little bit, and this is what creates that really pretty stain. And then to make this look a little bit more natural, I'm gonna go back to that lip balm and apply it over this lip color. So it kind of looks like my lips, but better. But this is it for my holiday makeup look. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I put out new videos every week, and definitely check out Curology's link. It'll be down below in the description bar. But I hope you guys are having a good holiday season, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!